Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talk.
Hi, listeners. We are so happy you are here today.
I'm David.
And I'm Olivia.
Today, we have a fantastic topic. We are talking about holidays.
Yes, summer holidays versus winter holidays.
Summer versus winter. Which one is better?
David loves summer. He loves the sun and the beach.
That's right. Summer is the best season.
But I love winter. I love snow and cozy days inside.
Cozy? You mean boring?
But not boring, relaxing.
Okay. Let's debate this.
Let's see who wins.
All right, listeners, let me tell you why summer is amazing.
Go ahead, David.
First, the sun. The sun makes me happy.
The sun is nice, yes.
When I wake up and see sunshine, I feel great.
I understand that.
Second, the beach. I love the beach.
You love swimming.
Yes, swimming in the ocean is wonderful. The water is cool and refreshing.
But the sand gets everywhere.
True. Sand in my shoes, sand in my bag, sand everywhere.
See?
But it's worth it. And third, ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes, in summer, I eat ice cream every day. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry.
Every day? That's a lot of ice cream.
It's hot outside. Ice cream keeps me cool.
Fair enough.
Oh, and sunglasses. I love wearing sunglasses. I look cool.
You think you look cool?
I know I look cool.
Okay. Your turn is finished.
Summer is perfect. Your turn, Olivia. Defend winter.
Thank you, David. Now, let me tell you about winter.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
First, winter is cozy. I love staying inside.
Inside? That's boring.
Not boring. I sit by the fireplace, I read books, I watch movies.
That does sound relaxing.
Exactly. And second, hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
Yes, hot chocolate is the best drink in winter. Warm, sweet, delicious.
I like hot chocolate too.
See? And you can add marshmallows.
Marshmallows are good.
Third, snow. Snow is beautiful.
Snow is cold.
Yes, but it's beautiful. Everything looks white and clean.
I guess so.
You can build snowmen, you can have snowball fights,
That sounds fun, actually.
and you can go skiing. Skiing is exciting.
Skiing. I tried skiing once.
What happened?
I fell down. Many times.
Everyone falls at first.
And I was freezing. I hate being cold.
That's why you wear warm clothes.
Warm clothes are heavy.
Better than sweating in summer.
Sweating? What's wrong with sweating?
Everything. Sweating is terrible. I hate sweating.
Okay, I understand.
In winter, you don't sweat. You stay comfortable.
But you freeze.
Not if you dress properly.
Now, listeners, let's do a fun role play.
A role play. I'm excited.
The scene is shopping for vacation clothes.
I will be the store employee. David will be the customer.
Let's do it.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunshine Clothing Store.
Hi, I need clothes for my summer vacation.
Summer vacation? Wonderful. Where are you going?
I'm going to Hawaii. Beaches, sun, and swimming.
Perfect. Let me show you our swimming trunks.
Great. I love swimming trunks.
Here, try this pair. Size medium.
Medium? I think I'm a large.
Just try it. The fitting room is over there.
Okay, I'm going in.
This should be interesting.
Olivia?
Yes? How is it?
These trunks are very...
Come out, let me see.
Do I look okay?
They are very tight.
Tight? They're squeezing me.
Maybe you need a larger size.
I can't breathe.
Go change. I'll bring you a large.
Please, quickly.
Poor David. Okay, now it's my turn.
Your turn. What do you need?
I need a winter jacket. I'm going to Switzerland.
Switzerland. Very cold.
Yes, I need a warm jacket.
Let me help you. Here, try this one.
This jacket looks very big.
Big is good. It'll keep you warm.
Okay, I'll try it.
This will be funny.
David, this jacket is huge.
Come out. Show me.
I can't move my arms.
You look like an astronaut.
An astronaut?
Yes, ready to go to the moon.
This is ridiculous.
Can you walk?
Barely. I'm like a big marshmallow.
A walking marshmallow.
Stop laughing. Help me take this off.
Okay.
And scene. That was hilarious.
I can't believe those trunks were so tight.
And I can't believe that jacket was so huge.
We are terrible at shopping.
Maybe we need help.
Listeners, have you ever tried on clothes that didn't fit?
Tell us in the comments.
Too big? Too small? Too tight?
We want to hear your stories.
You know, Olivia, I love the beach. I really do.
I know you do, David.
But I have to be careful.
Careful? Why?
Do you remember my sunburn disaster story?
Oh no. That was terrible.
The worst day of my life.
You looked like a lobster.
A red lobster.
Listeners, this story is painful, literally.
I couldn't move for 3 days.
3 days?
It was horrible.
We will tell you all about it right after the break.
Yes, let's take a quick coffee break first.
Good idea. I need some hot chocolate.
And I need iced coffee.
Of course you do.
Coffee break time.
I love this part.
Me too. I have hot coffee today.
Hot coffee? In this weather?
Yes, this hot coffee is perfect for winter.
Well, I have iced coffee.
Iced coffee? Of course!
Iced coffee is perfect for summer.
We're so different.
Yes, we are.
Delicious.
Very refreshing.
You know, Olivia, I have a question for our listeners.
What question?
A simple question.
Tell me.
Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather?
Oh, great question.
Listeners, tell us in the comments.
Are you a summer person?
Or a winter person?
Hot and sunny?
Or cold and snowy?
We really want to know.
Maybe some of you like both seasons.
That's okay too. Just tell us your favorite.
Okay, Olivia, my iced coffee is finished.
And my hot coffee is almost done.
Time to get back to the story.
Yes, the sunburn disaster story.
This is going to hurt just remembering it. Let's go.
And we are back.
Refreshed and ready.
Well, I'm refreshed. David looks nervous.
Because this story is painful.
It's okay, David. It happened a long time ago.
I still remember the pain.
All right. Tell us the story.
Okay, here we go. This happened 3 years ago.
3 years ago. Okay.
I went to Miami for a beach vacation.
Miami. Beautiful beaches.
Exactly. I was so excited.
What happened?
Well, on the first day, I went to the beach early,
How early?
around 10 in the morning. The sun was already very strong.
Very strong.
I found a nice spot on the sand. I put down my towel.
Okay.
Then I remembered something important.
What?
Sunscreen. I needed to put on sunscreen.
Good. Always wear sunscreen.
Yes, but I forgot to bring it.
You forgot?
I left it in my hotel room.
Oh, no.
I thought, it's okay. I'll just stay for 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, I thought 1 hour was safe.
Spoiler, it was not safe.
Not safe at all.
What did you do?
I lay down on my towel. I closed my eyes.
You closed your eyes?
Yes, the sun felt so warm and nice.
Oh,
I felt so relaxed, so comfortable.
David.
And then I fell asleep.
You fell asleep?
Yes, I fell asleep under the sun.
For how long?
I don't know. Maybe 2 hours? 3 hours?
3 hours?
3 hours in the direct sun?
I know. It was a terrible mistake. What happened next?
I woke up. A child was throwing a beach ball near me.
A child woke you up?
Yes, the ball hit my leg.
And?
And I screamed.
You screamed?
Yes, my skin hurt so much.
Oh no.
I looked at my arms. They were bright red.
Bright red?
Like a tomato. No, like a lobster.
A lobster?
My chest was red. My legs were red. My face was red.
Everything?
Everything. I looked like a cooked lobster.
That's terrible.
I stood up. I tried to walk. Every step hurt.
The sunburn was that bad?
It was horrible. I walked back to my hotel very slowly.
Poor David.
People looked at me. They stared.
Because you were so red?
Yes, one woman said, "Sir, you need to see a doctor."
Did you see a doctor?
No. I went back to my hotel room. I took a cold shower.
Did that help?
A little, but I still hurt everywhere.
What did you do?
I put aloe vera on my skin. So much aloe vera.
Aloe vera is good for sunburn.
Yes, it felt cool and nice.
How long did the sunburn last?
3 days.
3 days?
3 days. I couldn't move. I couldn't go outside.
You stayed in your hotel room?
Yes, I stayed in bed. I watched TV. I ate room service.
That sounds boring.
It was. My vacation was ruined.
All because you forgot sunscreen.
All because I forgot sunscreen.
And you fell asleep?
Yes, big mistake. Huge mistake.
Did you learn your lesson?
Oh, yes. Now I always wear sunscreen.
Good.
I carry it in my bag. I put it on every 2 hours.
That's very smart.
I never want to be a lobster again.
Good. And listeners, remember, always wear sunscreen at the beach.
Please, learn from my mistake.
Okay, David, That was a painful but important story.
Very painful.
Now, let's share some fun facts about hot and cold places.
Oh, I love fun facts.
Listeners, did you know the hottest place on Earth is in Death Valley, California?
Death Valley? That's a scary name.
The temperature there reached 56.7 degrees Celsius.
56.7 degrees? That's crazy hot.
Yes, that's like an oven.
I can't even imagine.
Would you visit Death Valley?
No way. Too hot, even for me.
Fair enough. Your turn, David. Tell us a cold fact.
Okay. The coldest place on Earth is in Antarctica.
How cold?
Minus 89.2 degrees Celsius.
Minus 89?
Yes, that's freezing.
That's colder than a freezer.
Way colder. You would freeze in seconds.
Would you visit Antarctica?
Absolutely not. Too cold. I would become an ice cube.
I would love to visit.
Of course you would.
Here's another fun fact. The longest day of the year is in summer.
The summer solstice.
Yes, in some places, the sun doesn't set at all.
Really?
Yes, in Norway and Iceland, you can have 24 hours of sunlight.
24 hours? No night?
No night, just daylight.
That's amazing. I would love that.
But in winter, they have 24 hours of darkness.
No sun? Just darkness?
Yes.
That sounds depressing.
Maybe a little. Before we finish, let's review some vocabulary from today.
Great idea. Listeners, pay attention.
First word, hot.
Hot. When the temperature is high, like summer.
Example, the beach is hot in July.
Or, I feel hot after running.
Second word, cold.
Cold. When the temperature is low, like winter.
Example, it's cold outside. Wear a jacket.
Or, my hands are cold. I need gloves.
Third word, snow.
Snow. White, frozen water that falls from the sky in winter.
Example, look, it's snowing outside.
Or, the snow is beautiful.
Fourth word, beach.
Beach. A sandy place by the ocean or sea.
Example, I love walking on the beach.
Or, let's build a sandcastle at the beach.
Fifth word, sunscreen.
Sunscreen. A cream you put on your skin to protect it from the sun.
Very important. I learned that the hard way.
And the last word, freezing.
Very, very cold.
Example, it's freezing outside, only minus 10 degrees.
Or, I'm freezing. Turn on the heater.
These 6 words are very useful.
Practice them this week, listeners.
Well, listeners, that's all for today.
We had so much fun talking about summer and winter.
We hope you enjoyed the show.
And we hope you learned from my terrible sunburn story.
Always wear sunscreen.
Always.
So, listeners, before you go,
Tell us, do you prefer summer holidays or winter holidays?
beach and sun,
Or snow and hot chocolate?
leave a comment below.
We want to hear from you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast.
Click that subscribe button.
New episodes every week.
Also, tell us what topic we should talk about next.
Food, hobbies, technology.
Send us your ideas.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Until next time.
Keep practicing your English.
And remember, wear sunscreen in summer.
And warm clothes in winter.
Goodbye.